Mackenzie, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, It is time for school.
Oh my fucking god, Dad. Did you really have to bring a whole ass gong and start banging it? My ears are bleeding now thanks to you. GRRR.
I don't fucking care, bitch. Now get your fluffy black and white ass up and get ready for school.
And what happens if I don't want to go to school?
Then this would happen.
Oh, you'll hold a gun? Wow, that is so scary. I forgot to be afraid.
No, I mean I will shoot the absolute shit out of you with it if you don't get your fucking gay ass into the motherfucking car right this second.
Oh my god, fine, I will get into the stupid car. GRRR. God, I can't believe I have to go to fucking school today. I wanted to stay home and play GTA on my Xbox. God, I just wish I could blow the school to smithereens.
Oh, hello there, my border collie boyfriend. Mind if I ask, why do you look so angry?
Oh, I'll tell you why I'm angry. I am fucking pissed right now, because my stupid alcoholic of a father forced me to go to school. God, I wanna blow this place up. And speaking of blowing this place up, I was just thinking of some ideas.
Well, you see, I'm in a similar situation. I wanted to stay home and play Geometry Dash, as I'm super close to beating deadlocked, but of course, my parents made me go to school. Mackenzie, why do you look so surprised?
Holy shit. Bluey. My love. I just got the best idea ever.
Oh really? What is it? Tell me.
How about we sneak off to the Go City Air Force Base, steal a fighter jet, fly to the school, then blow this place up to smithereens by firing missiles at it. How's that?
Oh my god. Yes. That sounds awesome. I always wanted to ride a fighter jet.
Well, what are we waiting for? Let's move our fluffy asses.
Hey! And just where do you two stupid mutts think you're going?
Hey, soldier man, I was just wondering if we could, take one of your fighter jets for a ride. We promised we would return it.
Yeah. It would be back all in one piece. We promise.
Absolutely not.
Alright, then we will do this the hard way. GRRR.
Someone get this stupid border collie off the floor.
Oh shit. I beat him up so hard that he died. That's why you don't mess with Mackenzie Border Collie. Anyway, we better get going to the fighter jet before other soldiers see us.
Yeah, you're right. Let's move it. Hey, I just realized that I don't think any of us know how to actually fly a fighter jet. At least, I don't, so I kind of hope you know how to fly it.
Actually, yes. I do. You see, I stole a jet before to bomb my parents' house once after my dad sold my Fortnite account to buy drugs and alcohol. So now, I will bust into the cockpit of this fighter jet by punching the absolute shit out of it. Ha 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 ha. God fucking damn it, open already, you stupid thing. GRRRRR. Oh my god. Yes. Finally. Hop on in, Bluey.
Alright. I am in. Now should we get this party started?
Why yes. I will now go ahead and start the engine, then we can take off.
Alright. Sounds like a plan. Ha 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 ha.
Waking a sweat again. Another day's been laid to waste in my disgrace. Stuck in my head again. Feels like I'll never leave this
Oh my gosh. We're flying.
Yes, Bluey. Fun, isn't it? God, I forgot how fast these things are. I can already see the school coming into view.
Hey, Mackenzie, do you mind if I fire the missiles? I wanna do it so I can get back at my sister for snitching all the time and our teacher.
Of course, my love. Speaking of which, you might want to do it now, as the missiles are locked onto the school.
Wait, but how do I do it?
Just pull the trigger on the control stick. That would fire the missiles.
Oh, okay. Thanks.
Well, looks like Bluey and Mackenzie decided to be a no-show today. They probably think they're very clever skipping school to go cause chaos or something. Anyway, class, today we would start off by doing some math. Pull out your textbooks and turn the page.
Oh my god. We did it. I did not expect the school to almost shoot right out of the fucking ground. That was the coolest thing I have ever seen in my little doggy life.
Yeah. Take that, you stupid school. Gosh, did you see how our classroom basically evaporated instantly as soon as the missile hit it? Oh my god, that was so fucking cool.
Yeah, we definitely killed a lot of dogs and people. Ha 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 ha.
You know, I was thinking we should go somewhere to celebrate. I was thinking maybe Chuck E. Cheese's? How does that sound, my love?
Alrighty. Chuck E. Cheese's it is. Really, sheepdog? You made our parents just teleport into Chuck E. Cheese's with that overused ass sound effect? God, you must be bored as fuck or something.
Bluey Jr. I can't believe you were in on this too. That is so fucking it.
You all are so fucking grounded for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 8, 9, 3, 9, 3, 9, 8, 2, 8, 2, 7, 6, 2, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 9, 8, 7, 6, 3, 7, 4, 6, 4, 6, 4, 7, 8, 3, 9, 8, 2, 9, 2, 0, 1, 0, 1, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 3, 8, 3, 7, 3, 6, 3, 4, 6, 3, 7, 3, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3, 7, 3, 7, 4, 7, 8, 4, 9, 8, 3, 2, 9, 1, 0, 9, 1, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 0, 0, 0, 0, 9, 8, 2, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3, 7, 3, 6, 3, 5, 3, 6, 2, 8, 2, 7, 6, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 8, 3, 7, 6 times 10 to the 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9 power millenniums.
Oh yeah, and we are calling the cops.
This is your fucking cell with no bed, no TV, no electronics of any kind whatsoever, no sink, no toilet, no shower, no running water, and no air conditioning. You will stay here for a super mega ultra very 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 long time, as you two have committed a severe act of terrorism. Now goodbye.
You know what? Fuck this shit. I am busting out of jail. Come with me, Bluey.
Wait up, Mackenzie.